Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. SriNagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about wrong combinations that are mentioned in Ayurveda, and we are eating these wrong combinations in day-to-day life. One of this most commonly used wrong combination which has been mentioned in Ayurveda is milk and salt, and we all eating white sauce pasta. And it is so delicious, it is so tasty, but do you know, if it is not made traditionally, it comes under wrong combination according to Ayurveda. Now the question comes, what are these wrong combinations, what are mentioned in Ayurveda? There are many wrong combinations of food that are mentioned in Ayurveda. Means if you take these foods separately, like separately if you take salt, separately if you take milk, they don't do any harm. But if you mix them and then consume it, like let's suppose if you boil salt in milk and then you drink it, this kind of combination in Ayurveda, it's been said as wrong combination. If you are consuming traditionally made pasta, like how pasta was made traditionally in Italy, you know, because if you talk to some very rooted people in Italy who are very traditional, like in India we have rooted families, they in Italy also there are very rooted people. Now everybody is touched with modernism, that thing is different, but Italians are also very rooted in their food, and their ladies, their people, they were cooking this traditionally cooked white sauce pasta, and in this white sauce pasta they never add salt in milk, which many of the restaurants and many of the places and many of the street foods who are selling this white sauce pasta, they are doing this mistake that they are, while making that sauce, they are adding salt in the milk. So if you are making pasta in this way, especially in certain restaurants and some street food, if you're making pasta sauce which is made of milk, white sauce pasta, which is the sauce is made of milk, now this combination when you are consuming, it is not so good for health. So what was traditionally pasta, how it was made, how much salt, if you see, if you ever have visited to Italy, they are using very minimal salt in their food, and pepper they are using, especially only two spices they are using, pepper and salt, and sometimes oregano, but maybe other spices also they use, but most commonly these two, pepper and salt, because they believe in more of the natural taste of pasta, natural things, they believe more in natural taste. So they are not adding spicy flavors to pastas and everything. And if you go to Italian restaurants, like they have always kept in the restaurant, like on the table, salt and pepper, but mostly they have kept this salt and pepper not to add in your dish. They usually serve you salad which doesn't has much dressing, you know, olive oil will be on the table and this pepper will be, and in traditional restaurants, and salt will be, and you need to make seasoning according to your taste. So this is one way in Italy, and in Italy it's also like this, like if you are, whatever is coming from the kitchen, that you should eat. You should not add pepper or salt in it, because it designates, so the kitchen person don't know anything about taste, and we are adding salt according to us, you know. So it is this culture difference. In India you add salt very commonly, it's not a big difference, but in certain cultures it's not considered as very good. So now the question comes, how they were making? They were boiling the water, adding salt in it when they were making pasta, and then in that boiling water they are putting pasta so that the pasta will not stick to the bottom, and then they boil pasta, then rinse the water, and little bit of salt amount also enters in pasta, and after that they are adding pasta sauce, and they make sauce separately of the milk without salt, and then they mix that sauce with pasta, adding little bit oregano, and this is how it was made. But now the pasta that has been served in restaurants and in homes especially, they are making sauce, this white sauce with milk and salt boiling together, and this is how they are making white sauce. Now in Ayurveda, this white sauce and salt is considered as very wrong combination. So it is very important, like if you are trying some continental dish or dish from some other continent, then it is very important that you just take the taste as it is. But we Indians add our own flavors because we eat more salt as compared to white people, and we are doing this mistake. Like in milk, when we are making this sauce, we are adding this salt in, boiling milk with salt. So this in Ayurveda is considered as very wrong combination. Now the question comes, nothing happened to me. If you are saying it is wrong combination, I ate white sauce pasta, nothing happened to me. So that means, okay, wrong combinations are useless, but actually if once you have eaten and nothing happened to you, it is not like, or even daily you are eating and if nothing happening to you for now, it is not like if you take some wrong combination, immediately impact on your body will come, immediately you become poisonous. It's not like that. These are time tested combinations that are mentioned in Ayurveda, and when you are using this wrong combination and if it is not impacting your body, there are many factors at play. Maybe your digestive fire is very good, maybe your metabolism is very good, maybe you are very healthy, maybe your prakriti is very good, maybe your dosha balance is very good, and for now if you are eating this kind of dish, your body is very easily digesting it. But you ask those people whose immunity is very less, whose stomach is mostly disturbed, whose digestive fire is very disturbed or very low. So when they eat these wrong combinations, immediately, like at night they feel upset, gas, some like indigestion kind of thing. In some people, if it is very low, they also feel stomach pain and very discomfort in stomach. So it is not like wrong combinations will act immediately. Eventually, because right now if you are eating for a month like white sauce pasta daily, if till your body immunity is good, till your health is good, nothing will happen. But the moment you will be having weak health, that moment if you take this wrong combination, it will immediately impact on your health. So that's why I would suggest, if you want to eat pasta, make in a traditional Italian way, which has very minimal salt, and that's not mixed with milk or boiled with milk. That is separately they are boiling for they are using for boiling the pasta and then rinsing it, and they are adding on the oregano over it or little bit of pepper to enhance the flavor. And as they believe in natural flavor, so this is how we should also eat pasta in the same way. Because if you take somebody's traditional dish and then you are eating, then it is healthy and traditional way, because you know every country has worked towards food culture. Their dishes are also healthy. It is not it is unhealthy. Any dish, whether Indian dish or Western dish, if it is been cooked with you know, not taking precautions, it becomes unhealthy. Like if in Indian curries, if you add a lot of oil, or if you are using 5 days old curry, definitely it is not good for health. Similar is the case with pasta. If you are making it traditionally, it is healthy. If you are not making it traditionally, adding your things in it, it becomes not so much healthy. So pasta, so this white sauce pasta in a way healthy, but you need to see not to boil salt in the milk in order to make the white sauce. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.